Hey, and welcome back. We are doing another cut crease today, and we're just gonna hop right into it. So I've already prepped my face and put a little bit of highlighter underneath my brow. Now I'm gonna take this small eyeshadow brush and start packing on that hot pink color. So I'm gonna take my time dabbing on this color instead of swiping so that it gets super bright pink. Next, I'm going to take the super light pink and blend right underneath the brow into the hot pink to soften up that line. Now we're going to start cutting that crease. You take your flat brush with a little bit of concealer and just kind of dab it on. Using a round brush will make it a lot easier because you just kind of dab in a oval motion. And if you have hooded eyes like me, I like to bring the concealer above where my real crease is just so that it shows up. Y'all, don't laugh at my struggle nails. They really hurt and I'm in the process of taking them off, but it hurts so bad. Now I'm going to take that same hot pink that we put on the crease and take a small crease brush and go right above the cut crease again to make that color really pop and make the cut crease really sharp. Now this pink I'm using right here on the lid is the same pink that we used before. It's the lightest pink of the palette. Now I'm just kind of dabbing that pink on there until the pink is completely covering the concealer that we put on there. Now I'm going to take this pink that's second to last from the bottom of the palette and put it in between the crease pink and the light pink that we used, just to kind of make like a gradient, sort of kind of fading. And now I'm going to go back in with the pink that we used on the crease and just kind of blur that line. I'm using a e.l.f. eyeliner and it's really cheap, but don't sleep on the cheap products. This one is actually really good. I have no complaints. Now before I put on the false lashes, I always put on my mascara just to kind of, there's product buildup on there, so just to kind of make them dark, because it's tricky to get all of the product off whenever you already have the lashes on. And this mascara is the Black Radiance Lash Lengthening Mascara. I think I got this one from Walgreens. So now I'm gonna add the false lashes, some highlight, and a little bit of the hot pink underneath, and then you're all done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.